Welcome. How you doing?
We'll get a card for you, bud.
We made it. Alright guys, we finally made it to Miami. About to have a killer weekend, so stay tuned. What's up guys, Terrence with another video. Hope you're all having a great day, and we are back in Miami. You know, not the craziest views in the world like you see me often when I come to Miami. You see me in a dope place, but you know, you can't live large all the time. But as you just saw, I was on a private jet. I took a private jet down here with my boy Trevor. He hooked it up. So how did I get a private jet for free? You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. I was on a private jet. So how did I get that for free? So I know you guys might be a little bit triggered by this, but he has a membership with JetSmarter, which is basically a company where, you know, you can ride on empty leg flights or charter jets. And, you know, he had the ability to let me on there on the flight down here, so he invited me and we made it happen. So it cost me nothing to get down here, but he pays for the membership, so basically he paid for it. But anyways, yes, a jet, and now I'm in this little hotel room. You guys see me often, you know, in the nice place with the dope views, the big room, big everything. But sometimes you have to be smart with your money. That's something I've realized lately, is that you don't want to spend a bunch of money on stupid things that aren't going to make you money. You know, as an entrepreneur, you have to put your money into things that are going to make you money. Because if you're putting money into things that don't make you money, then you're just essentially losing that money. And if it's large amounts, then, you know, that's something you don't want to do, because if you're an entrepreneur and you are someone that actually wants to make a lot of money, you're not going to spend money on stupid stuff like putting a bunch of money into a car that's not going to make you money. So, you know, you have to be smart with your investments, and even though a few $100 or whatever is not really an investment, it is for some people, but you won't get a huge return. But anyways, this hotel, not that much. But if I got the other place that was super big, super nice, it would have been really expensive. And no, I would have never actually chartered the jet down here, because that's a ton of money. It's like 10 grand an hour. It was like almost 2-hour flight, I think. So 20 grand just to fly down here is not worth it in my opinion, you know, but it's all relative to how much you actually make. That's one thing I've talked about before, is relativity. And, you know, making money, everything depends on how much you make. You know, it may sound expensive to buy a $100,000 car, but if you make $1 million a month, then, you know, 100,000 on a car is nothing for you, because you make so much other money that, you know, that 100 grand on a car isn't really going to affect you. But for a jet, I don't think I make enough to be able to, you know, spend 20 grand on a private jet one way. So we flew down on the jet. We might fly out back to Greensboro on a jet. We might fly commercial. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's basically how I flew on a jet for free. But remember guys, be smart with your money and what you spend it on. You know, I'm excited to be down here filming a lot of videos for you guys. My course will be up next Friday. I'm relaunching it March 9th, revamping with a ton of new content with email marketing, influencer marketing, and Facebook ads. So I'm excited for that, get all the new content up. So that's what I'm gonna be working on this trip, filming, having fun, you know, just doing a lot of cool stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy these upcoming videos. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.